continuous random variable x is uniformly distributed over the given interval a to b. And just for a quick recap, for a uniform distribution is just a simple rectangular distribution. So it looks a bit like this. So very simple, where the lowest value is a and the highest value is b. Very useful calculating the range actually. And the mean is symmetrical. Everything is easy. This is an easy one. Okay, A. And now I've put all the useful relevant functions such as the density function, the cumulative distribution, the mean, and the variance. Okay, all right, let's go. So A, find an expression in terms of A and B for the expected value of 3 minus 2x. So first things first, when you take the expected value of this general form, the expected value is only wrapped around the x at all times. But why? Because we need to know that the expected value of a constant is itself, 3, because the mean of a value that we already know is itself. And the mean of 2x, well, you can just whip the 2 out. So we just constrain on the x. That's it. Now we just replace ex with the general equation, half b plus a, plug it in, and it should look a bit like this. Tidy this up and expand, you should get 3 minus b minus a. Very easy, very easy.